1212 on the clock, 333 on a license plate, coincidence, or something more? These repeating numbers might be messages from the universe. 1111 often signifies a time of manifestation and opportunity. Seeing 2222? It's a reminder to keep the faith and stay balanced. 3333 could mean your spiritual guides are near. 4444 signals protection and encouragement. And 5555? Big changes are on the horizon. When you spot these numbers, take a moment to reflect on your current situation. The universe might be trying to guide you. Stay open, stay aware, and let these numeric messages illuminate your path.